Welcome everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. I'm Grumpus. I just want to take a few minutes today to thank all of you for what you've done for the channel. You guys have pushed this channel past 1,000 subscribers, and I did not think that would happen this quick. I figured eventually it might happen, but the channel's only been up 11 months, so this is a pretty big surprise for me. It's very humbling, and it's also very encouraging to to think that there's at least 1,000 of you have not only stumbled across the channel, you've subscribed because you want more. It's kind of hard for me to wrap my brain around. I'm just a backyard barbecue guy. Just kind of throw the camera on, let you kind of peek at what I'm doing and what I'm up to. This whole thing kind of started as a way for me to let family and friends know what old Grumpus has got on his plate. Threw it out there to the YouTube world, and they've seemed to have embraced it, and I am very, very thankful for that. It's been kind of a rough year for me personal wise. I'm not going to get into all that, but I've always had the YouTube community, barbecue community to fall back on, kind of snap me into a safe zone. So I appreciate y'all for that. I appreciate all the comments you guys have left. Been a lot of positive feedback, and it's been a joy to do this for y'all, and I've had a lot of fun doing it. With that being said, I need y'all's help. Leave me some comments, kind of let me know what you like to see, what you want me to do. I try to make videos that I think other people will find an interest in, and at the same time try to do them in a way that's fun for me. Try to make videos that I would want to watch. So if you think they run a little long, too much detail, if you just want me cut to the chase, kind of let me know down below, and we'll try to steer it in that direction a little bit. I know anytime I've run searches on YouTube, it's generally because I can't find the details that I want. So because of that, I have a tendency to run my videos a little long, try to cater towards people maybe new to barbecue, just somebody interested in getting started in barbecue. And a lot of times, a lot of the videos I see, it gets to point A and point B kind of fast, and there's a lot of vague area between A and B. So if that's what you like, let me know. If you think they run a little long, let me know that too. Do you need more detail? I'm open for suggestions. But again, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you. It's very much appreciated. Very surprised. Again, very humbling. But your encouragement has kept me going along. Hitting that 1,000 mark, it's got me excited. And we're going to try to see if we can't get more videos out more often. Try to do a consistent schedule. Life kind of gets in the way sometimes. A lot of things that we have to do kind of get in the ways of the things we want to do. But I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. So anyway, I'm gonna cut this short. I've got a video coming up. We're gonna do some ribs in a special way. Last time I put ribs up on the internet was almost a year ago. So want to see how we adjusted to the new pit, and see how things turn out. So stay tuned. And again, thank you. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I look forward to doing this again. Maybe 2,500 or 5,000. Who knows when that'll be? But we appreciate every one of you that has been here from the beginning. All you newcomers that have stumbled across my channel, welcome. Let's just all have a lot of fun together. And I'll see you next time.